Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons, and I'm back with part 2 of our Dollar General Good Deals and Glitch List. So, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so jumping right in, here's your quick friendly reminder that I have already uploaded a couple of other Dollar General videos for you all so far this week. So if you missed out on any of them, make sure that you go and check them out. And of course, if you missed out on part 1 of our Dollar General Good Deals and Glitch List video, which I uploaded earlier today, you definitely want to make sure that you go back and check that one out. I'm going to have all of these linked and listed for you in the pinned comment down below. And also want to take a quick second, give a big shout out and thank you to Melissa, Cheryl, and Tracy for being the first 3 people to comment on the last video. And I know that you girls hit that thumbs up button as well. So thank you all so much. I know I've been saying it a lot over the last couple of weeks, but you guys do hold the power. And a few of my videos have gotten really close to getting to 10,000 views. So just by clicking that thumbs up button and leaving a comment down below, that's going to tell YouTube to put this video into more people's recommended watch lists. So thank you all so much again. And I'm going to try to make this a regular thing on this channel. So if you are the first 3 people to comment underneath this video, be on the lookout for a shout out and a thank you on the next video. Alright, so let's go ahead and jump right into these good deals and glitches, shall we? So first up, we have General Mills cereals. These are on sale this week, 3 for $6. And we have a 1-off 2 digital coupon. So if you pick up a total of 3 and use that 1-off 2 digital coupon, that's going to be paying $5 for 3 boxes. But this deal gets even better because right now on Fetch Rewards, we have 750 points back for purchasing 2. So that equals 75 cents, making your final price $4.25 for 3 boxes. Alright, next up we have the Nature's Valley granola bars. These are on sale this week, 2 for $6, and we have a 1-off 1 digital coupon. So that's going to be paying $5 for 2 boxes. But hold on, this still gets even better because right now on Fetch Rewards we have a 1,000 point bonus for purchasing 2. So you're going to submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards, get $1 back, and that's going to make your final price $4 for 2 boxes, making those just $2 each. Alright, moving right along, we have the Purex Liquid Laundry Detergent 75 fluid ounce bottles. These are priced at $5.75, and we have a 150 off 1 digital coupon, so that's going to be paying $4.25. But hold on, this still gets even better because right now on Ibotta, we have a 50-cent rebate back on any Purex laundry detergent. So you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta, get 50 cents back, and that's going to make your final price $3.75. Alright, next up we have the Finish Jet Dry Rinse-A. These are priced at $4.95, and we have a 2-off 1 digital coupon, so that's going to be paying $2.95. But this still gets even better because right now on Ibotta we have a 50-cent rebate back, so you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta, get 50 cents back, and that's going to make your final price just $2.35. Alright, next up we've got the 12-count Finish Powerball Quantum dishwasher tablets. These are priced at $4.45. With that 2-off 1 digital coupon, that's going to leave you paying $2.45. But you guessed it, this still gets even better because right now on Ibotta we have a $1 rebate back on the Finish Quantum tablets. So you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta, get $1 back, and that's going to make your final price just $1.45. Now, I know that deal was awesome, but I think this one's just a little bit better. We have the 12-count Finish Power Dishwasher Tablets. These are priced at $3.45, and it works with that 2-off 1 digital coupon, so that's going to be paying $1.45. But the deal gets even better because right now on Ibotta we have a 75-cent rebate back, so that's going to make your final price just 70 cents. Can y'all believe that? Alright, next up we have the Dollar Shave Club razors and refills. So these are on clearance at $8.10, and we have a $3.50 off 1 digital coupon. So that's going to be paying $4.60. But this still gets even better because right now on Fetch Rewards we have a 2,000 point bonus. So you're going to submit receipt to Fetch, get $2 back, and that's going to make your final price just $2.60. Now, we also have the Dollar Shave Club refills. These are priced at $8.50, and you can use that $3.50 off 1 digital coupon on these if you want. And that's going to be paying $5. Now, on Fetch Rewards, we have this bonus for 3,500 points back when you purchase both the razor and the refills. So here's a little deal that y'all can do if you would like. You can pick up one of the Dollar Shave Club razors at $8.10 and one of the refills at $8.50. Use that $3.50 50% off one digital coupon. That's going to leave you paying $13.10. Submit your receipt to fetch rewards and get back a total of $5.50 for both of those bonuses. That's going to make your final price $7.60 for both products. All right, next up, with 18.5 fluid ounce bottles of Dove hand wash. These are on clearance at $4.50, and we have a one-off-one manufacturer coupon plus a one-off-one DG store coupon. So that's going to be paying $2.50, but this still gets even better because right now on Fetch Rewards, we have a 750-point bonus. So you're going to submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards, get 75 cents back. That's going to make your final price just $1.75. Alright guys, so now we're going to go ahead and get into our glitch list. Now I do believe that these are all of the current glitches that we have going on right now. If I've missed out on anything, please let me know down in the comment section below. Now first up, we have this 2 off 4 digital coupon for the Dole Fruit Cups. This coupon is glitching and working on one of the Dole Fruit Cups. These are priced at $3, so after the coupon, that's going to leave you paying just $1. Now, y'all let me know, double check your accounts because mine seems to have disappeared, at least off of 2 of my accounts. I haven't checked the other ones yet, but let me know down in the comment section below if you still have your Dole coupon. Alright, next up, we've got the 25% off one digital coupon for the Bounty paper towels. This coupon is glitching and working on the Bounty Essentials 1 count paper towels for $1 found in the dollar aisle. So pick up one of those, use that digital coupon, and that's going to leave you paying just 75 cents. Alright, next up, we have a 50% off one digital coupon for the Lysol products. Now, this one is glitching and working on these small 8-ounce bottles of Lysol toilet bowl cleaners. These are priced at $1 found in the dollar aisle. So after the coupon, that's going to leave you paying just 50 cents. Now, this digital coupon is also working on the 10.75-ounce bottles of the Lysol multi-surface cleaners for $1, also found in the dollar aisle. So after the coupon, you're going to pay just 50 cents. Alright, up next, we've got a one-off-one digital coupon for the Glade products. This one is working on the 1-count Glade plug-in warmers. These are priced at $4.50, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $3. Now, this coupon is also working on the Glade plug-in warmers 2-count. These are priced at $3.75, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.25. Alright, now up next here is a new one that I found this week. Now keep in mind, it might not be new to everybody because I did take a couple of weeks off, but this one-off-one Glade coupon is working on the Glade Solid Air Freshener Clean Linen. This is priced at 85 cents, so after the coupon, that's going to make it completely free, plus give you 15 cents in overage if you still have the older systems at your store. If you have the newer systems, it's just going to make it completely free. Alright, next up, we still have this $3.99 off 1 Dawn Power Wash and 1 refill. This is working on 2 of the refills. Pick up 2 of those at $4.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $5.01 for 2. Alright, next up, we got a 75% off 1 digital coupon for the Band-Aid and Neosporin products. This coupon is working on the 30-count Band-Aids found in the dollar aisle for $1. So pick up one of those, use that coupon, and that's going to leave you paying just 25 cents. Alright, next up, we got this one-off-one digital coupon for the Dove and Axe products. This one is glitching and working on the small 1.6-ounce Dove deodorants. These are priced at $3, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $2. Now, this coupon is also glitching on the 1-ounce Dove dry sprays. These are priced at $2.65, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $1.65. Alright, next up, we got a 50% off 1 digital coupon for the Suave deodorants. This coupon is glitching and working on the 1.4-ounce deodorants. These are priced at $1.35, so after the coupon, you're going to pay just 85 cents. Next up, we have this 2 off 2 manufacturer plus a 1 off 1 DG store coupon for Axe products, and these coupons are glitching and working on the 1.7-ounce Axe deodorants. These are priced at $3, so after both of those coupons are applied, that's going to leave you paying just 1 penny. Alright, next up, we got this 1 off 1 digital coupon for the Colgate products. This is working on the Colgate Max White toothbrushes. These are priced at $3, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $2. And this coupon is also glitching and working on the Colgate charcoal toothbrushes. These are priced at $3.35, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.35. Alright, next up, we got a 2 off 1 digital coupon for the Fixodent multi-packs. This coupon is glitching and working on the Fixodent Plus Precision 1 count. So these are priced at $7. After the coupon, you're going to pay $5. And last but not least, we have our 2 off 1 for the Crest toothpaste. This coupon is glitching and working on the Crest Pro Health toothpaste for $1 found in the dollar aisle. So pick up one of those and use that digital coupon. That's going to make it completely free, plus give you $1 in overage if you are at a store with an older system. If you're at a store with the newer systems, it's just going to make it completely free. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for me for now, but don't forget to go back and check out part 1 if you haven't already. Like I said, that's going to be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. And before you go, you guys know the drill. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help your girl out. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.